All right. Today's February 8th, 2016. Of the Shotgun a Beer a Day Challenge. Not really a challenge, just kind of something I've always wanted to do. Today, I got the King Cobra, the big one. 25 ounces. It is 6% alcohol by volume. I'm in the garage today. Since Super Bowl was last night and the Broncos won, I know my sister's really happy. She's a big old Broncos fan. So good for them. They earned it. Their defense was unstoppable. But you guys can see I'm wearing my Yankees attire now because it is officially baseball season now. I think we got like 30, maybe 29 days left until baseball, until spring training. Super excited. Starting to get the fantasy league back up. So let's go ahead. King Cobra. All right, number 8. See you tomorrow.